Welcome back. Seems like basic infrastructural problems in Mapsa are neglected. The open gutters along the roadside and traffic jam goes unnoticed. It's an awful sight to watch the school children standing just beside the gutter which are left open. Parents are worried as the students can fall in the gutter causing serious injuries. Have a look.
One of the main cities of Goa is the Mapsa city. Thousands of people walk in and out of the city. School and college students face tremendous hardships in Mapsa. The gutter along the roadside is not proper. MMC workers allege that the iron-made covering of the gutters are robbed by some miscreants.
आमका खबर ना खरे चोरून व्हेल्या ती आम्ही काम करता इतलं आणि
लोकांची ती असली की
लोकांची आली
ती किती आली
आता खबर ना किती झाली ती किती त्यांच्यानी रातच्या चोरून व्हेली किती आता आम्ही दुसरी घालता पाहतात.
The school children after their school hours wait for buses besides the gutter. These gutters are sometimes closed and sometimes open. Unknowingly, the students can have a fall in the gutter. The parents are worried.
ते लादयो आता महिनोभर जाले घातल्यात ते लादयो थोड्यो फुटलेले आहात आणि फुटल्या कारणान थंयसर बशी पार्किंग करतात आणि ते लादये तुटून बशीच्या व्हिलूय वता शकता आणि भुरगे इस्कॉलाच्या टायमार जे एक ते देड दोन पासून इस्कॉलाची भुरगीं खूब आसतात ती भुरगीं धांवता आसतना सुद्दां भितर पडोंक शकतात आणि तेतून खूब भुरग्यांक हार्म जावंक शकता तेच्या बद्दल.
This is not new for Mapshikars. The gutters are never repaired immediately. The Mapsa municipality has also turned a blind eye to this menace. Add to this is the traffic congestion and narrow roads in the heart of the city. Reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Let's take a look at the other events in the state.
3 young environmentalists have come together with an initiative to save planet Earth. They have introduced a concept in which the household garbage can be segregated into wet and dry garbage, which then can be used as manure.
आम्ही एकठांय येवन एक मोहीम केला की लोकांक जागृत करपाचे की जो गार्बेज जो आमी तयार करता घरान तो कसो डिस्पोज करपाचो म्हणजे सेग्रिगेट करपाचो म्हणजे ओलो कचरो वेगळो करपाचो आनी ड्राय कचरो वेगळो करपाचो. सो वेट वेस्ट सपोज आमी वो ट्रीट करीत विथ एन ऑर्गेनिक मेथड की तो जमनीर पडना आणि एका मशिनासून ट्रीट करून तो कंपोस्ट करून मॅन्युअर लायक अ फर्टिलायझर तयार करून ताकी ते खत म्हणून आमी खंय वापरूं शकता. सो हो कॉन्सेप्ट आमी हांगासर इंट्रोड्यूस करूंक सोदता गोवा खातीर ताकी जो तरी रेस्टॉरंट मार्केटान जो वेट वेस्ट वता तो मार्केटान सपोज एक प्लांट आसा थंयसरूच तो ट्रीट जावं शकता.
म्युनिसिपालिटीन हेजेर परत विचार करचो, सरकारानूय विचार करचो आणि प्रत्येक शहराच्या जे मेन मार्केट आसा त्या मार्केटान बसून थंयचो जो वेस्ट आसा थंयचो कचरो आसा तो कचरो कंट्रोलान हाडपाचो प्रयत्न करचो.
Lions Club of Bicholi and Second Innings Committee organized 4th Foundation Day of Baba Savikar Seva Foundation. BJP MLA Vishnu Wagh visited the old age home and encouraged the senior citizens to enjoy their lives.
चांगली गोष्ट करायला कुठलाही मुहूर्त लागत नाही, चांगली गोष्ट करायला कुठलंही वय लागत नाही. ही सृजनाची निर्मिती आहे आणि अशा प्रकारे जर आपण आपला वेळ चांगला सत्कारणी लावू लागलो तर माझं म्हणणं तुम्ही लक्षामध्ये घ्या की या केंद्रामध्ये येणारा कुठलाही माणूस हा आयुष्यात म्हातारा होणार नाही.
Reporter Uday Parab for Prudent.
Former Sri Lankan cricketer Nuwan Joysa could become Goa's coach from next year. The Goa Cricket Association President Vinod Phadke said Joysa will be down in the state later this month to assess the state potential before accepting GCA's offer. Meanwhile, it is obvious that the current coaching consultant Surinder Amarnath will have just this season to work in the Goan cricket setup.
Nuwan Joysa was a decent left-arm fast-medium bowler for Sri Lanka from 1997 to 2007, but his career was blighted by injuries. However, his experience in top level of international cricket is something that the Goa Cricket Association seems eager to utilize for betterment of the state cricket.
Sri Lanka वचून आयले T20 मॅचीक आणि आमी स्पेशल गेल्ले कित्याक आमकां फुडल्या वर्सा कोण तरी बरो कोच हाडपाचो म्हणून त्या खातीर आमी नुवान जोयसा आणि मरवीन आटावटो कॉन्टेक्ट केल्लो. तितूंतले नुवान जोयसान हांगा येवपाची तयारी दाखयल्या आणि चड करून तो ह्या 15 तारखेच्यान प्रिलिमिनरी रावंडा खातीर म्हणजे 15 दिसां खातीर ते म्हयन्या खातीर हांगा येतलो, आमचे प्लेयर कशे आसा ते पळयतलो आणि पयली रणजी मॅच जाय मेरेन तो हांगा रावतलो आणि फुडल्या वर्साच्यान मागीर तो फूल टायम कोच म्हणून हांगा येतलो.
Meanwhile, Surinder Amarnath seems set to play a small inning in Goan cricket. Although the former Indian Test star came in with a lot of promise, the GCA officials are understood to have been disappointed by his working style. Hence, Joysa could fill Amarnath's position when the contract ends next year. With bureau inputs, our reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.